Number 10 Crypto Stamps and NFT Stamps Course, Final Project, Creating Your Own Crypto Stamp. Welcome to the final video of our series, where we'll guide you through the exhilarating process of creating your own crypto stamp. In this comprehensive video course, we'll cover everything you need to know to conceptualize, design, and launch your unique NFT stamp. Get ready to unleash your creativity and dive deep into the world of NFTs. Step-by-step guide to conceptualizing and creating your NFT stamp. Creating an NFT stamp is an exciting blend of artistry, technical skill, and strategic planning. Here's a breakdown of the process. Conceptualization. Start with a clear vision. What theme or message do you want your crypto stamp to convey? Consider its uniqueness and potential appeal to collectors. Designing your stamp, whether you're an artist or collaborating with one, craft captivating visuals that align with your concept and are suitable for the NFT format. Choosing the right blockchain. Decide which blockchain to mint your NFT on. Ethereum is popular, but consider alternatives like Tezos or Flow for lower fees and unique features. Minting your NFT. Use an NFT minting platform aligned with your chosen blockchain. Upload your artwork, fill in the details, and follow the platform's guidelines to mint your NFT. Tips for promoting and selling your crypto stamp. Once your NFT stamp is ready, drawing attention to your creation is crucial. Engage with communities. Share your work with NFT communities, social media, and forums to spark interest and drive potential buyers. Marketing your stamp. Utilize digital marketing strategies like collaborations with influencers, virtual galleries, and participation in NFT events to enhance visibility. Pricing strategy. Set a price reflecting your crypto stamp's value, considering its uniqueness and market demand. Consider using flexible pricing strategies like auctions. Final reflections and tips for continued learning. The NFT world is ever evolving, and continuous learning is essential. Stay informed, keep up with the latest trends, technology, and market dynamics in the NFT space by engaging with community discussions and thought leadership. Experiment and innovate. Don't hesitate to try new ideas, artistic styles, or blockchain technologies. Innovation is valued in the NFT community and can set your work apart. Build your network, connect with other NFT creators, collectors, and enthusiasts to gain insights and collaboration opportunities. Conclusion. Creating your own crypto stamp is a journey that combines creativity, technical skills, and strategic marketing. By following this video course, you can launch a unique NFT that showcases your artistic vision and holds potential value for collectors. Embrace the continuous evolution of the NFT world, remain curious, and keep pushing the boundaries of digital art and collectibles. As we conclude this series, remember that the exploration of NFTs is limitless. Keep learning, creating, and innovating, and you may find yourself at the forefront of this exciting digital frontier.